Here we have the Windgoo Boot Challenge, the Golf Convertible Edition. Let's go. Not very big. Put my gloves on, cold day today. Kickstand back. Seat in, pedals in. Yep, push the pedals in, lift them up. Take the front bit down. Lift them up. Right, see if it fits. Oh. Oh. It's not fitting. It's not going to fit. And what we can do didn't fit in there, but it does fit in there. So the good thing about this Windgoo is that we can alternate. If it doesn't fit in the boot, as we have seen, it can fit in the passenger seat. Still a win. Like and subscribe.